Alright, hey guys, this is gonna be a little different in the fail series.
My cat keeps rubbing his tail on me.
So annoying. So, it's Nuclear Meltdown. Well, hold on a second. Oh, just looking for some videos on YouTube. Nuclear Meltdown. Oh, wait a minute. Why does it say Nuclear Meltdown? But it's a Russia. It's a Russia fire alarm sounder with a beacon light. But the beacon isn't going, and they're using another light on the Russian sounder and not the beacon. And they called that a nuclear meltdown. Let's just see this. Let's read the whole title. Nuclear meltdown. Warning, alarm sound effect 12 hours. You gonna seriously say that's 12 hours? It's 11 and 59 minutes and 59 seconds. Well, I guess you can call that 12 hours. I don't know. Well, let's see if that's good for you guys.
If you could only see one film this year, make it a 12-hour movie.
That doesn't make any sense. Can't see anything. Oh my! My ears! Ow! They're burning! Alright, how is it for you guys? Oh my god, that is loud. I'm gonna stop that. Oh, and hold on a second. Hold on a second. Oh, okay. And then, this is going to be a two-part episode. Hold on, I have to find it. Alright.
Hey everybody, welcome back.
Kid presses fire alarm. Kid presses fire alarm. Kid presses fire alarm. Presses. 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 My iPad's only at 8%. This is not going to work. Alright, presses. The only I've seen before is one of these sticky hoos in the Titus episode that we did. This guy is supposed to go with the presses. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, guys. I want to do something. BD12. Yeah. You know, here's something weird. You know, that's a BD12, right? And you know the Titus video I did where it was the cruise video? Dumbest Titus video I've ever seen? Guess what that is? It's a BD12. The presses goes with the Titus video. This is not pressing. This is doing this. Pushing it and pull down. Not only does it say like boop, boop, boop. The steps you have to do aren't easy. Not just one click. See? You gotta push it and pull down. If you don't just do this. Oh my god, the alarms are going off. Not anymore, you gotta do this. That actually worked. I didn't actually think. Alright, let's demonstrate it on my Simplex G-Bar. Normal way is this. The presses way is this. It's not going off because it's paper and it also doesn't work. What are you talking about, presses? What are you talking about? And also, have you seen all these LEDs? Red, yellow, normal, yellow, red. I'm gonna look up pool. Hold on, pool station Oh my god, what the heck? Station. That. You. Reese. What? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Look what I looked up. Police station fire alarm that you had to press. Telling me a Wheelock AS is something you have to press. And you're also telling me that's a single action. Well, no, it's still normal. Tell me I have to press it, boop, press, boop. That you have to press right there. I don't know what's called though. Press. They're calling these all the press. This is Titus's episode. This right here, I finally found it. I gotta focus so my iPad doesn't die. Each mechanical point. Alright, now I know what it is. It's a break glass thing. The press is for the break glass thing. National something call. The BG-12 is for doing this. Or the single action. Mine's a single action and a pull one. If you want to push in and pull, you can do that like this. Push in and pull. But mine is just a single action. Well, they're both. Like, that's just down. I'm not even pushing in. Yeah, that's the end of this episode. It's longer than the Titus episode. Not longer than the other one.